Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, I'm not feeling well, so if you see any changes in my voice, please forgive me because I'm not feeling well at all. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a curly high puff, especially when your curls do not come out the way you want it. So today this is what I'll be showing you guys: Bantu knot on natural hair. So I'll be using ORS Lock and Twist gel and my Eco Styler gel. So this is what I'll be using for my hair. So I try to do the Bantu knot. Right now I'm twisting it at the root. So I'll keep on wrapping it till the end. So I'll just wrap it into a knot. I'm done with my bantu knot. I will leave it for a couple of hours. So after a couple of hours, I just did a soft glam, not too much because I don't want any heavy makeup on my face. So I did a small makeup to match my bantu knot. So yeah, so check my curls. So the twist didn't come curly as I wanted, but either way I'm going to do a high puff with my bantu knot. So I'll use my eco styler for my puff. So I think I will try it again, but we'll keep it on for longer hours. And I think I was rolling it the wrong way, yeah, but anyway I decided to make it a puff. Comment and let me know what you think about this bantu knot. Give a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Killer of your own heart. If you treat me kinda, kept me close, but we still part. Isn't easy with